MLGO stock has just been so uneventful. It's various communities on Reddit and probably stock tweets are even way more active than the stock itself. But I can imagine why those communities are very much active. The short interest, rather, the float of the stock is around 6.8 million shares. So you should naturally expect that volatility will set in at some point. But for the best part of how many months now, nothing has happened. It's just been quiet. I would say since all the way back. Let's find out. This is when all the way back July of this year. It's just been totally quiet. But if anything, if this is going to make you happy, you can see we have some indicators from Kendall report. Sign up for that indicate for those indicators. You can pay as little as $37 monthly. Very, very, very good, very really good. So we're using them now. We are seeing that there's a projection of around $0.6861 for its 10-day moving average come 7th of November. That's Thursday, the 7th of November. That is over a week from today. And also some strength is also expected, is also projected or rather extrapolated for its 40-day moving average. We have 0.4285. All of these prices are currently higher than its current price of 0.23. Let's get it. 0.23 was how much? That's $0.2391. Yeah. But in any case, if you want to see what the probabilities are saying as it concerns a spike, then we have to plug that, and we're going to find out now what's been projected. Let's do the probability. Let's apply the probability. So the probability indicator. Let's get it there. So these are the indicators. There are up to 19 of them or thereabouts. So you can see now the probability of it staying below its 20-day moving 200-day moving average is greater than 90%. So statistically, no spike is really expected to go beyond that sort of the likelihood of a spike going beyond its 200-day moving average, which is around the 3.4. It's not very high. But we know that even with 0.001% probability, a lot can still very much happen. A lot can still happen. And the fact that it has traded prices way above 3.48 still lends that probability, lends probability that lends a chance that it can spike. But so the critical things there, are the one of them is this: it's a low float. Yet at the same time at the same time as well, the reality is that MLGO is quite popular. So the partners that are associated, or rather, how would it be partners? There are a lot of the fact that it is popular. It's pretty much a meme stock somewhat. Yeah, means that some market participants using safe harbor opportunities and all that to sell down the stock, and all sort of things. So and at the same time as well, yes, or rather to cut a long story short, the market. The how would I put it now? The market goes in the direction where it can hurt people the most. So a lot of market participants, a lot of people are very much interested in the stock, and they are buying. So the market will always go against them, will always try to go against them, try to hurt them the most. So if there's accumulation, there's a decent amount of accumulation in place or have been registered, then the market will always go in that direction to hurt people the most, to eat up people's positions. So given all of that, there's a probability, a downward projection of all the way down to 0.1709. But at the same time as well, there's a good chance that if we get to such levels, that we might see a rebound. But to summarize it all, um, the projections are looking good. The projections, if anything, there's some ray of hope. If that is enough, 0.7291 for its 10-day moving average, and we have been able to compute a few projections as well, going by what we have here, going by the highs of around $0.41 it printed some time ago, and this low of 0.2240. We came up with a projection of around $1, roughly $0.992 or thereabouts. So I mean, we are digging deep and scratching deep, and trying to find out probabilities, trying to find out something really encouraging. But as things stand right now, we really can't see anything as such. We can't see anything as such. Yeah, really can't see, and I'm sure a lot of people can't really comprehend why it is it's just been crawling and consolidating and depreciating at the same time. But in any case, see what you make of MLGO, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.